We all know teachers make tons of money and are super famous, right? Okay, no, teachers don't make that much. So if you're trying to increase your side hustle, or you're taking a break from teaching because of a pandemic and you want to make more money on the side, then this video is for you. Hey educational warriors, my name is Pam. I've been a special education teacher for the past 10 years. I've paid off all my student loans. That was about $36,000 in only 2 years while teaching full-time. So if you are looking for more content on being a special education teacher and maybe even saving a little money or making a little money on the side, then this channel is for you. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Leave any questions or comments down below. In today's videos, I am teaching you all my tips, tricks, and hacks for making money on the side as a special education teacher. Let's get into it. The first and easiest way to make cash is to use that education background and tutor. That could be private tutoring, post online, especially now people are looking more than ever for private tutoring and tutoring on the side to help their students stay up to date with the information, especially during this digital teaching scenario. I do not suggest going to the student's house. I think Zoom works perfectly fine depending on the student and their needs, obviously. Another option for money as a teacher is to teach online. There are plenty of online-based schools now. You can look at K through 12. I will link that down below. Or you can look at my favorite, VIP Kids. VIP Kids? VIP Kids? They're not sponsoring. I don't know how to say their name. I will link them down below. So this program especially I find fascinating, especially being on the Eastern Seaboard. You are teaching children in China how to speak English. What? You don't know Chinese? I don't know Chinese either. And they don't know English, and it works out perfectly fine. And because we are on the Eastern Seaboard and time is what it is, you can teach from like 4 a.m. to 7, and that would be a typical time for a child in China. Or you could teach from 7 to midnight. Depending if you're an early bird or a late owl, I think this will work for you, and it's good cash. You have to sign a contract that lasts about 6 months, but I think it actually works out really well. I know a lot of teachers who do this, and they make a lot of money on the side. Now we're living in a very digital age, and so a lot of other things are online these days. So if you're looking to make some cash on the side, think about becoming a virtual assistant. It's work that we're already doing online, whether it's tracking data, organizing emails, organizing correspondence, taking care of calendars and scheduling. I mean, it's like virtual assistants were just made for teachers. There's many places to find jobs as a personal assistant. I will link a couple of those down below, but I have been told that Facebook is a very good place to pick up a job. You're already spending a ton of time making those cute little worksheets for your kiddos. You might as well get paid for it. So post them on Teachers Pay Teachers. I have my own Teachers Pay Teachers store. I have made a couple $100s off of it, but I obviously have not spent a ton of time putting products up. There are programs where you can learn to make more money through it. I will link those down below, but they're super cute. I will also be linking my store if you're into like some products, so check it out. The next tip I'm gonna have for you is to turn your passion into some cash. If you are crafty, put your stuff up on Etsy. If you are an artist, start a YouTube channel and sell your art through YouTube. There's a million different ways to make money using your passions. Get out there and do it. This store on Etsy is actually run by a former teacher. She started doing it part-time and eventually left and became a full-time sticker maker for planners. Who knew it was so lucrative? But she sells a bunch of stickers. I've been following her for 2 years now, and she has already sold over 100,000 stickers. That's insane. If you're a drama teacher and you're looking for some extra cash, you can start a quick business where you do children's stuff on the side. It's a really big market right now, especially digitally. People are looking for ways to entertain their children while they get some work done. So if you want to become Elsa from Arendelle and zoom into a few kids' living rooms and sing some songs, there is a lucrative market right now. I know in my neighborhood there's something called Sawyer, where you can offer children's courses through the internet. I will link them down below. But get creative, become a children's entertainer, and make some cash. Another thing you can do is sell your expertise, whether it's writing an ebook or developing a webinar, or starting a YouTube channel. Out there and express yourself and show your knowledge, and the money will follow. If you have decided that teaching is no longer for you and you're looking for a way out and this video did not help you, I have the solution. There is a woman called the Teacher Career Coach. She is on Instagram and she has an amazing course that will help you transition into the corporate world. I will link her down below as well. I find her very fascinating. I follow her on Instagram. Even though I'm not leaving teaching anytime soon, it is nice to know that there are other options for teachers out there. You do not have to stay a teacher forever. So that was my video on making money on the side as a teacher. If this helped you in any way, shape, or form, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so more teachers out there can find me. Let me know if I missed anything in the comments down below. I'm always looking to make an extra buck on the side. I'm also always looking to make more videos that you want to see. So leave a comment down below and let me know what I should be doing a video on next. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!